It is Good Times has got a WhatsApp channel. If you want to get breaking news stories immediately on your phone on WhatsApp, please click the link on the description to join the It is Good Times WhatsApp channel. It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is Good Times .co.za. South Africa has two teams in the last 8 football clubs in Africa's premier club competition. It's Mamelodi Sundowns, it's Orlando Pirates, and there's also a possibility that both of them could be drawn in the same match in the quarterfinals. We'll see. No one knows what's going to happen tomorrow. Yeah, that was the game. Mamelodi Sundowns won, ASFA won. In the last 5 minutes, both teams kind of knew that they've already qualified, so they really stopped playing. However, Mamelodi Sundowns got what they wanted, ASFA got what they wanted. It means Raja Casablanca are out of this competition, amongst many other teams, of course. There's only 8 teams now that are left. Junior Kanye, my analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, because of his cuts is fine.
Sure.
They're too much, man. Ngikhuluma first.
Ude kwasoleka no-Doc Shebeleza wasoleka Fondeni. Ebuza amantombazane bapha Fondeni. Watsho naye uWinnie Khumalo wathi ugogo wakhe wathi wena mntanami. Wena mntanami.
Elela ungejima soyidonga kanje.
Watsho uWinnie Khumalo wathi ugogo wakhe wathi wena mntanami. Esithi I just want to live my life.
Yeah, it's a star man, may his soul rest in peace neGrootman Doc.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Entertainile kakhulu. Sorry man.
Nalento senzayo nathi entertainment ke.
Yeah.
Leyo
May their soul rest in
uthetha
peace.
ku-videos nathi sisi-entertainers.
Yeah. Outing lungisela mfethu very quick. Sundowns I think kule game le. Both teams I think bengamelanga bayidlale, but
They got what they wanted.
yeah, bekumele vele by honorary fixtures, but it's a waste for us watching this game, especially us lama analysts yobasla. It's like give my feel kube ngaba bayidlalang mara ngoba they had to fair play amongst against each other. Going to Mamelodi Sundowns, I don't think it's working in the Shalulile and Orenas when they're playing together. For me, I don't think it's working. Today Sundowns, they play a one holding midfield, badlala 3 defense as usual. But then into futhi kumele bayilungise especially ku Champions League. Lo mfana lo mele bam eliminate ukhoza. Unama error maningi awenza mistake. Too casual le boy. Inexperienced. The boy is good compared to a premiership, but kunama error. Going forward, I don't see them progressing even nagu final. I don't angeke. Mina I'm very straightforward fit. I don't see
kudala ungawabona abantu beprogressa. Kudala ungawabona abantu beprogressa. So amathambo uyawaphonsa awayivezi iPirates ku-final, awayivezi iSundowns ku-final.
ngitshela ngathi Pirates ku semi-final or final. Pirates.
Okay.
Sundowns
iSundowns you don't see them going to the final.
Yeah, ku semi-final mhlambe ngafika, but I don't see them going to reaching the final. Mamelodi Sundowns too slow for them. They are playing pacey. It's like a training session. Badlala ngepace yabo bebangafuni ukora ama goals. They scored 1 goal. I think well done to Shalulile. But now check the overall performance from the team. Bebadlala nga 2 attacking midfielders, which is Alende Nomkhulis, but no one bega ngene boxing first half. How many shots on target? Nothing. Ngikhuluma nga first half. They only had a cross ga Ribeiro le set piece and then wakora Ushalulile. Well done from there. How many chances they created? Nothing from Mamelodi Sundowns. Too slow. Not even creating so many chances. Bebanga tholakala, bebanga ina behind the defense. AS
With that Casablanca.
no.
ASFA.
Yeah, ASFA. Yeah. Amagama le machimo ase northern ase north almost the same. So going to the game kuleko njoba ngisho kuwe ngithi I'm very disappointed mina Sundowns the way idlala ngakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi bebafuna idraw kule game, but Sundowns bebangayirepa le game. They dominated the game in terms of ball position, but creating chances nothing. And then this team, I think they deserve good Bantoli goals second half. Because Sundowns besabamile afinabo, not even wanting to create a chance or going to the half. I'm not right to Lindo Magati. Team yabo they score 1 goal and then they defend. The problem about now since the coaches arrive. I think Melalung is this thing. He scored goals not in this game. Nami noticile and then he want to defend. And angeke zimsebenzele going forward. Yes, compared to a premiership might work, but I was score 1 goal and then you want to defend. That's why they had to get punished. Well done to this team, not a bad team. I think the team They've got some quality players. As a team, they never played well, but individual but quality players. Now, technical, more or less, as Al-Ahly, well done to them. Yeah.
To give yourself the best chance as a Sundowns, let's look at them. The formation 4-3-3. Who do you take out and who do you put in just to give yourself the best chance? You've already said you don't see them going to the final. But to get as close as possible, what do you change about some of the personnel? What do you change about the style of players?
One, they must talk to Ronan Williams. He's the best goalkeeper in the country. Mindset, I love the boy. Mindset is very important when the attitude speaks a lot for me. Attitude bad. All I'm saying is sometimes it becomes casual. Unelinye ibhola le corner kick, you create something out of nothing. Ukushuthi uletha ama problem angekho. Also kunebhola lithe udlala la central and then wapasa this midfield yabantu. If it decided kahle le midfield, it was a goal because it was straight direct epalini. Decision making, I think it was poor from them. Melalungisa mindset. Best goalkeeper. Secondly, eliminate Kozamina. It's a pity Umvala is ulimele Umvala. I'll bring I think Lebusa or Deruk. Between two of them, I bring him. I bring one of them. Udlala lapaya. Also, mina continue ngale middle field. But ukuthi balance attack, I bring uLitlako or Kgodisang.
Who do you take out between Shalulile and Reyners? Who do you sacrifice?
Because Shalulile Scott, ngizochubeka na. Kurile Champions League last time bamfakile wakora 2 goals away. I'll continue with Champions League has been doing very well. Yes, Reyners is doing well kubethwe Premiership ngizochubeka ngoShalulile. And then ibalance yabi attack kube uRibeiro, uLomfana oTladisa, Kgodisang or uLitlako, that's all. Mina, I think mabangayenza kanjalo Sundowns will be good midfield, leave it like that. Kulis is unfortunate. Angazi ukuthi why coach made him keep. Yazi kunzima ukuthi udlale wazi ukuthi even if I do well, ngizo eliminate. It's bad, man. Angazi instruction from someone who coach. But none other than that, it deserve it through this game
right,
because now the team young.
Let's wrap it up. We've been here for 4, 5, 6 hours. South Africa has 2 teams in the quarterfinals. How does that make you feel? Quarter final, there are 8 teams. Out of that 8, Israel, Abalibiza, Umzansi Africa, kuna 2.
Yes.
That means we leave the rest of Africa 6 other spots.
Yeah.
That should be a great thing for us.
Yeah, as South Africans, I think as it's a good year. It's a year we're going for AFCON.
It's AFCON, yeah.
Club World Cup. I think it's good. It's exciting. It shows there is a bit of improvement. But also the standard of football with Champions League is questioning.
It's not the same anymore.
Yeah, it's not the same anymore. But well done for the country. For Pirates, these are big shoot.
Sure.
Also, the Stellenbosch,
they're also on the
they're doing well.
knockout.
So that's why as a country, there's something. And the Stellenbosch, there's
and
nothing.
those same players will be playing at AFCON later in the year.
Yeah, but
in
so
December.
Yes, beneficial for the nation. Pirates, there's no way those players would badlulile kuma group stages. Now they're going to.
There will be 5 or 6 players there. Sundowns might be 9 players going to AFCON.
I think that's how Spain won the World Cup.
Absolutely.
2010. And also how I think Chairman Payen,
how they won. Dortmund.
Yes.
Just 2-3 teams, national team.
You don't have to make mixed veg. So I think for benefit the country, so a lot. Well done to Jose Rivero. Also well done to Sundowns. We can't falter for them to qualify. My expectation always mean bahlale on top because the standard they set it.
Right.
I think they did very well. Yes, we qualify. Well done to 2 South African teams.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. 2 matches played today. A very good Sunday. Thank you very much to Junior and all the rest of the guys as well. Lindo, Pep, Bobo, So Vilagazi, Shane, Junior, Kanye, Justice, everyone here, even the food as well that we were eating here. You guys have no idea that we eat junk food, including Junior. He eats KFC, he licks his fingers, he enjoys it. And we talk trash when we're together. Anyways, without wasting any further time, thank you for watching us.